Hi, welcome to ggmix. Today I've got a chocolatey treat for you. My berry chocolate pudding pots. They're soft, fluffy, and most importantly, chocolatey. The topping becomes crisp because we sprinkle over some cocoa powder and demerara sugar just before we put them in the oven. And the best bit is you throw everything into a bowl, give it a quick mix, and you're sorted. Quick, simple, and not a lot of washing up. So let's get started. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say you can also drizzle over some extra thick cream, sprinkle over some blueberries and strawberries, you know, to add a little bit more decadence and make it a little bit more fancy. Plus it adds even more flavour because you know here at ggmix everything that we make here is all about the flavour. First things first, get all your ingredients ready. I've got my self-raising flour, my caster sugar, cocoa powder, melted butter, milk, an egg, vanilla bean paste, or you can also use vanilla extract, some more cocoa powder for the topping, and some demerara sugar. Whenever you make a cake, always make sure that all your ingredients are at the same temperature. In this case, we need them at room temperature because when you add them all together and you put them in the oven, they all start reacting at the same speed because they are at the same temperature, and this will create the most perfect, delicious cake. Come oven on to 180 degrees. So in my bowl, I'm going to add my self-raising flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and sieve it all in. Now stir everything in. It's all mixed in well, and then make a nice little hole in the middle like this. Right, now in my jug, I've got my milk. I'm going to add my melted butter, and then add my egg, my vanilla bean paste, and then with a fork just beat it. Oops. So it just starts to get incorporated. That looks alright. Right, now we're going to add it into the middle of our flour, stir it all in well until it's lovely and silky like this, and it's all an even chocolatey brown colour. This smells so delicious, and look at it, look how soft and silky it is. Right, what we've got to do now is add these to our ramekins. This mixture fills up 6 ramekins, and what I do, I'll put them into my baking dish. So I've got 4 in one dish and 2 in the other because I ain't got a dish big enough to fit all 6. But if you've got a big dish that you can put all 6 in, then that's good. But try and make sure that both of your dishes can fit on the same shelf in the oven. What I like to do to make sure that they're as even as possible is I first put 2 spoons of mixture, roughly 2 spoons of mix in each ramekin, and then I'll go around to do a third one. Normally they take 3 spoonfuls. Look at that, look how it just drips off of the spoon. Now mix your cocoa powder and demerara sugar together, but don't sieve it because all these lumps are going to caramelize in the oven and give us like a crispy shell, and then it's going to be all caramelized, like, you know, like a honeycomb sort of on the top, which will complement the soft fluffy chocolate underneath. It's going to be amazing. Right, now sprinkle over your cocoa powder and demerara mix over your puddings. Make sure all of your batter is covered. Now add your water to your dish and make sure it comes up halfway up your ramekins. Now put them in the oven for about 25 minutes, or when you put a skewer in it and it comes out and it's all nice and clean, and you know it's ready. When they're ready, put them on a cooling rack for about 15 minutes, and then it's time to dish up. Look at how delicious these puddings look. Look at the crisp topping on them. Look at it. Yeah. And then look at these balls now. I said to you, don't sieve your sugar and your cocoa powder. Now look, it's crispy. Look at this. Can you see inside? It's like it's all caramelised, you know, like honeycomb. It's like got texture of a Malteser, but it tastes like, you know, a crunchy roll, and it's got the chocolate on the outside and the honeycomb in the middle. So delicious. So the topping's crisp, but inside it is soft and fluffy. Look at this. Look how soft and fluffy it is. Look at that. Can you see how soft and fluffy it is? Can you can you see it all? Right. This is so good. The topping is a bit bitter, but then it's caramelized with the actual the marrow sugar. Then underneath the cake is just soft and fluffy. Look at it. Look at this. You know you want to try, innit? Look at this. It's good. It's so mild. These are perfect just the way they are, but I'm going to let you in on a little secret of mine to take them to the next level and make them a little bit more fancy, and also activate your taste buds a little bit more. I'm going to add some cream on the top to play with, you know, cool temperature and hot temperature, and then also I'm going to add some berries on the top, so that's going to add some sweetness and sourness to complement the bitterness and the sweetness of the chocolate, and also the coolness and then the crunch of the berries. Delicious. So let's go and plate up. So add your thick cream. Start to melt a little bit. Look, it's already starting to melt. Ooh! Sprinkle over some blueberries, strawberries, a bit more cream on the top, just like that. Oh, look at that. That looks. Oops. You know what? I forgot we were actually filming. Okay, right now it's time for me to dig in. Yeah, yeah. Whoops. Don't worry about that. So good. You know, the hot and cold. Oh dear. Learn from me. Serve this on a plate. So if any berries fall off, you can actually eat them again. Oh yeah, the hot and the cold. Works so well. The berries add a bit of tang, sourness. It's just, oh dear, it's just so good. And the thick cream, make sure your cream is thick. You have to have thick cream. As to you don't want that runny cream, it's going to make everything all soggy. The thickness, the cream, the softness of the chocolate, the bitterness of the topping, the sourness of the berries, the crunch of the berry, the coldness of the cream, the hotness of the cake. This is balanced in every way that your taste buds are going to love it. And you know what? You're going to love it. So you might as well go and get your ingredients, go and make it, put it all in one bowl, give it a mix, put it in the oven. 25 minutes later, you can have it as well. So good. This is so tasty. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!